Ladies and gentlemen, we are working on the XC60, Volvo XC60. Here we got the radiator leak, as you see. We didn't know where it come from, so we removed the cover underneath. It wasn't that difficult to get the cover off, and then we removed the radiator support bracket underneath. And this vehicle is not that old. This vehicle is just 7 years old, but we noticed the radiator is leaking. You can see clearly from here. This joint here, the joint of the radiator, where the plastic one connected to this. I think cause of it, because this is a leg for radiator, the brackets holding on the support bracket underneath, so it keep vibrating. So this part is connected to radiator, so that's the reason we start losing from this side and leaking. That's the only reason we can have. It doesn't have more than 70,000 miles on the clock. So this side, as you see, is so dry. Nothing happened here. The clip is tight, so holding the O-ring back. Well, look at this side. It's leaking from the side. So these legs come undone. I try to just squeeze them back if I can. So, but I think we need a new radiator for this one. As I told you, it's just a support bracket. That's a support bracket, just sit here underneath underneath of the car. Just hold the radiator with 2 bolts from this side and 2 bolts from the other side. And this is just a cover. You just come off like that. That's a cover from here. So it wasn't a big job, but we are not removing the radiator because we don't have a part, and the price is about £330 from Volvo. Well, we don't know what to do at the moment, so we update you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.